Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today is my first English video. I don't know if you saw my vlog earlier this week, but I decided to upload 2 videos now. Well, there will be less videos, but at least there will be 2 every time. All in French because my channel is French, so I have to upload in French. But if you want to improve your French, you can still watch it. I keep uploading the subtitles. The other one will be in English so that I can improve my English and so that I can speak English too, because I kind of miss speaking English. Today is a fitness video. I wrote everything on my book so that I don't forget anything that I could have said in French and not tell you. So as you may know, in France we are in quarantine, which was supposed to be only 14 days. So I wanted to do a sort of glow up and improve myself physically and mentally speaking. So I kind of decided to look for a fitness challenge to make a glow up and go back to work and feeling good. I love sports. Like, I used to run, bike and sometimes dance at my parents' house. I really loved it, but as I went to college I couldn't manage to find time to practice between the courses, the studies, the work and the fact that I moved out. I couldn't find any place to practice sport, so I stopped. But I really missed it, so I decided to practice again a year ago. And I did it wrong and I hurt myself. I hurt it myself on my knee. It was kind of hard to go back to sport, but I really miss it. So I decided that I was going to go back and practice again, but like really slowly, and do small sessions of sports and not going to my maximum so that I don't hurt myself again. And basically that's why we're here today, talking about fitness on this channel. I've watched a lot of videos of mostly girls having such a glow up with a fitness program on only 2 weeks, and so I wanted to do it myself to see if it really works or if it was a lie. That's how I started the 2-week stretch challenge by Chloe Ting. Just a little background so that you know. The 2-week stretch challenge is proposed by Chloe Ting, an Australian fitness YouTuber. She uploads programs and exercises for free on her YouTube channel. So the 2-week stretch challenge is one of them. It is composed of exercises every day. The sessions are from 23 minutes to 47, which is not that long. It can fit anyone as they are low impact exercises for the people that can't do the exercises. Let's see what happens. Before we start, let's take a look on what I look like before starting the program. So this is me. I look like this. Didn't have a flat stomach at all, and for a while we even thought that I was pregnant. Now let's talk about the size. For the waist, I was at 72 centimeters. And I had some trouble measuring myself and it was cold, so it was a bit difficult, but I finally managed to get it. And for the belly, I decided to pick where it was the most bloated, so right under the navel, and I was at 86. About the weight, it was 54.6 kilos, as you can see on the screen. And now that we have everything, let's get into the program. So this was the first day and I was dying, but you'll see it right after. En vrai, c'est pas si simple que ça. Genre, les exercices, ils sont assez physiques pour quelqu'un qui a pas fait de sport depuis longtemps. Là actuellement je pense que je suis incapable de compléter la 2e vidéo. Déjà j'ai fait la première et je suis au bout, j'en peux plus. Ça fait tellement longtemps que j'ai pas fait d'exercice de ce genre qu'en plein milieu de la vidéo j'ai eu envie de vomir. Après j'ai peut-être pas été très maline au départ, je me suis dit que ça allait passer et du coup j'ai fait tous les exercices sans la version simplifiée. Donc
Donc aujourd'hui c'est le jour 3. Là actuellement on est dans le salon, genre je profite de pouvoir faire le sport dans le salon vu que pendant le confinement je suis toute seule à la maison. Mais la semaine prochaine je serai plus toute seule. On va devoir essayer de trouver un espace dans les chambres.
I would have loved to say that it gets easier with time, but it's not. The first 4 days, we are introduced to new videos and exercises, and obviously we are still dying. I didn't film every day, but only some of them, so that you don't have to watch me doing the same exercises every day. Day 6 was the first and only day I practiced into my bedroom. There was no room for me at all. It was the hardest day because I had little space. It was also on that day that I noticed some results. On day 10, I felt really good, even if my knees started to hurt again. But I kept going and did all the exercises with the low impact version for some so that I don't hurt my knees even more. And finally, day 14, this last day we are all waiting for. As you can see, I had to wear my splint, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do it. This was the moment where I felt free and where I was able to do most of the exercises, even if some were still hard. Here we are. Let's start with the weights, as it is the less impressive. I am now at 53.6, which we can barely see because of the sun. I let you see how I look like now, because we can see the results better. My belly is not that bloated anymore, even if it's still not 100% flat yet. Let's put some numbers now. The waist is at 68 centimeters and the belly is at 79 centimeters.
So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Again, I'm sorry if my English is not that good, if I do grammar mistakes. I'm still learning it. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and I almost forgot, if you have some programs, some fitness programs that you want me to test, just tell me in the comment section and I'll take a look and see if I can do it. Bye!